Welcome, fish enthusiasts and pet lovers, to our in depth comparison between two of the most majestic freshwater fish, the Flowron and the Arowana. Both of these species are incredibly popular in the aquarium hobby, known for their striking appearances and unique characteristics. In today's video, we will explore their origins, care requirements, temperament, and much more to help you decide which one might be the best fit for your home aquarium. So let's dive in. See, number one is origin and natural habitat. For Flowron fish, the Flowron fish is a man-made hybrid species created by breeding various cichlid species. This means Flowron do not have a natural habitat in the wild. They were first developed in Malaysia, Thailand, and Taiwan in the late 20th century. The distinctive hump on their heads, known as a nuptial hump or coque, along with their vibrant colors, has made them a favorite among hobbyists. If we talk about arowana fish, arowanas on the other hand are ancient fish species with a natural habitat. They are found in the rivers and swamps of South America, Africa, Asia and Australia. The most popular varieties in the aquarium trade are the Asian arowana and the silver arowana. These fish have a history that dates back millions of years, making them living fossils. Their elongated bodies and large shiny scales give them a dragon-like appearance, which is highly prized. Part 2 is physical appearance. For Flowron fish, Flowrons are known for their distinctive head hump, which can vary in size. Their body are robust and come in a range of colors, including red, pinks, blues, and purples. Each Flowron is unique with patterns that can include pearls, Flowron markings, and other intricate designs. Their vibrant appearance and interactive behavior make them a showpiece in any aquarium. So if we talk about arowana fish, arowanas are recognized for their sleek, elongated bodies and large metallic scales that shimmer under light. They have a graceful, almost predatory swimming style, often gliding near the surface. Asian arowanas are particularly valued for their deep red or gold hues, while silver arowanas are appreciated for their size and elegance. Their barbels or whisker-like appendages add to their majestic look. Part 3 is tank requirements. For Flowron fish, when it comes to tank requirement, Flowrons are relatively straightforward but do not need ample space. A single Flowron should be housed in at least a 75-gallon tank, as they can grow up to 16 inches in length. They prefer a slightly alkaline pH between 6.5 to 7.5 and a temperature range between 25 degree to 32 degree Celsius. Flowron are messy eaters, so a good filtration system is essential to maintain water quality. On the other hand, arowanas, due to their size and swimming habits, require much larger tanks. A minimum of 250 gallons is recommended for an adult arowana, with even larger tanks being ideal. The tank should have a secure lid, as arowanas are known jumpers. They prefer slightly acidic to neutral water with a pH between 6.5 and at 7.5 and a temperature range near to 25 degree to 32 degree Celsius. Providing a strong current and ensuring pristine water conditions are key to their health. Part 4 is diet and feeding. For Flowron fish, Flavorons are omnivorous with a hearty appetite. They thrive on a diet of high quality pellets, supplemented with live or frozen foods like shrimps, worms, and crickets. It's also important to avoid overfeeding as they are prone to obesity. Feeding them twice a day in small amounts ensures they stay healthy and vibrant. For arowana fish, arowanas are carnivorous and have a more specific dietary requirements. In the wild, they feed on fish, insects, and even birds. In captivity, a diet of high quality pellet designed for carnivorous fish, along with live or frozen foods such as shrimps, fish fillets, and insects, is ideal. Feeding should be done once or twice a day, with care taken to avoid overfeeding to prevent water quality issues. Part 5 is temperament and compatibility. For flavorone fish, flavorons are known for their aggressive and territorial nature. They are best kept alone or with very robust tank mates that can stand up to their assertive behavior. Tank dividers can be used if necessary to prevent conflicts. Their interactive nature means they can recognize and even interact with their owners, adding a unique aspect to keeping them. For arowana fish, arowanas are also territorial but tend to be more solitary. They can be aggressive towards tank mates, especially other arowanas. If you plan to keep them with other fish, ensure the tank is spacious enough and the other fish are large and non-aggressive. Species like large catfish or placos can sometimes be suitable companions. However, monitoring their interactions closely is crucial. Part 6 is health and lifespan. For flavorone fish, flavorons with proper care can live up to 5 years maximum. Regular water changes, a balanced diet, and a stress-free environment contribute to their longevity. Common health issues include hexameta infections, often caused by poor water quality, and swim bladder disorders. Keeping the tank clean and maintaining stable water parameters are key to preventing these issues. For arowana fish, arowanas can live for 15 to 20 years or even longer with excellent care. They are generally hardy fish, but they can suffer from conditions like drop eye, where one or both eyes look downward. Maintaining high water quality, a varied diet, and a large, well-maintained tank help in keeping arowanas healthy. Regular veterinary checkups can also be beneficial. Part 7 is cost and availability. For flavorone fish, flavorons are widely available and come in range of prices depending on their size, coloration, and lineage. You can expect to pay anywhere from 1000 to 5000 or 10,000 for a premium specimen. Their popularity means they are easily found in pet stores and through specialized breeders. For arowana fish, arowanas, especially the Asian varieties, can be quite expensive due to their status and rarity. Prices can range from a few hundred to several hundreds of rupees, like 15,000, 25,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Silver arowanas are more affordable, usually priced between 1000 or 1500. Due to their size and care requirements, it's important to purchase them from reputable sources to ensure you get a healthy fish. Part 8 is legal and ethical considerations. For flavorone fish, flavorone being hybrid fish have no wild population to worry about. However, responsible breeding practices are important to prevent genetic defects and ensure the health of future generations. Always buy from reputable breeders who prioritize the well-being of their fish. For arowana fish, arowanas, particularly the Asian arowana, are protected under CITES, the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora. This means that owning an Asian arowana requires proper documentation and permits. Always check the legal requirements in your area before purchasing an arowana to ensure you are compliant with local and international laws. So, which one to choose? Friends, both Afloveron and arowana fish offer unique and rewarding experience for the aquarium enthusiasts. Your choice will depend on your personal preferences, the space you have available, and your commitment to their care. Flowerons are ideal for those who want an interactive, vibrant fish that can become a true focal point of their aquarium. Arowanas, with their ancient lineage and graceful beauty, are perfect for those who can provide the large, pristine environments they require. So, consider your own lifestyle, resources, and what you hope to gain from your fish keeping experience. Whichever you choose, ensure you are well prepared to meet their needs and provide a loving, healthy home. Thank you for joining us in this comprehensive comparison of Floweron and arowana fish. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more informative videos. Happy fish keeping, everyone, and see you next time. Bye bye.